Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee ground fertilizer. Used coffee grounds are a fantastic resource for your garden, packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They also work wonders by improving soil structure and inviting beneficial microorganisms to thrive. However, it's crucial to remember that applying them directly can be too acidic for some plants, so proper preparation is key. The first step is to prepare your coffee grounds correctly. Always use used grounds, as fresh ones are too acidic. After brewing, spread your used grounds thinly on a baking sheet or tray. Allow them to dry completely for at least 1 to 2 days. This crucial step prevents mold from forming and eliminates any unpleasant odors, ensuring your fertilizer is safe and effective for your plants. Once your grounds are dry, you have several application options. For general use, mix them into your compost pile at a ratio of 1 part grounds to 3 parts other organic material. You can also sprinkle a thin layer directly around acid-loving plants, such as roses or blueberries. Another effective method is to create a liquid fertilizer by diluting 1 cup of grounds in 5 gallons of water, letting it steep overnight before use. To ensure the best results, always test your soil pH regularly to monitor acidity levels, especially when using coffee grounds. Avoid applying large quantities directly to very young seedlings, as their delicate roots can be sensitive. Remember, moderation is key for healthy plant growth. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.